Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to create new account on Amazon. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Amazon is one of the largest online shopping websites offering a wide range of books, electronics, furniture, and clothing, and other things. Amazon is also used to enjoy services such as Amazon Music, Fire TV, Kindle, Audible, and Alexa. So, what if you want to create your Amazon account? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Amazon. You can search on your browser Amazon. So here, if you want to create a new account, you can go to here, so account this. You can sign in. You can sign in. You can create a free business account, or you can just enter your email if you want to create your personal account like this. I will create for my personal account. Now you can just enter, continue. Looks like you are new to Amazon. You can just create an account. You can enter your name. You can enter the password for your account. You can re-enter your password. Now you can just verify email. Before you finish create your account, you can solve the puzzle first to protect your account. Choose all clocks. So here's the clocks. You can confirm. So you have successfully solved the puzzle. You can enter the security code that Amazon sent to your email. So we'll enter the security code. Now you can just verify. You can add your mobile number. And here, you can use the country. You can enter your phone number. You can add mobile number. And you can just follow the step by step that Amazon gives you. I think there's a problem with my phone number, so I can't uh, continue to register. So if you already on this step, you can just follow the step by step. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create Amazon account on your uh, device. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.